Welcome to BeyondConstruct Quantity Survey. Today I'm showing you why the pros are ditching VLOOKUP for XLOOKUP to protect their tenders and their margins. One single column. That's all it takes to break a VLOOKUP and ruin your entire bill of quantities. If you're a quantity surveyor managing thousands of line items, you know that a broken formula isn't just an error, it's a threat to your tender's profit margin. VLOOKUP relies on a static index number. It's a trap. When you add a new column for remarks or taxes in your rate sheet, VLOOKUP doesn't shift with you. It stays locked on that old column, pulling the wrong data without warning. You submit the bid, and only then do you realize your material rates are catastrophic. It's a ticking time bomb for any modern QS. The pro choice is XLOOKUP. It's the new gold standard, because it's unbreakable. Unlike VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP links directly to data arrays, not column numbers. The logic: instead of saying, look at column 3, you tell Excel, find this code in column A and give me the price from column F. The result: you can move, hide, or add 100 columns in between, and your BOQ stays perfectly synced. It also handles horizontal data, so you can ditch HLOOKUP entirely. The switch is simple. Look at the old way, a standard VLOOKUP. See that 4 at the end? That's your weak point. If you insert a single column, that 4 stays a 4, but your data has moved to column 5. Suddenly, your BOQ is pulling the wrong rate, and the formula won't even tell you it's wrong. Now, look at the XLOOKUP way. Instead of a static number, you're selecting the search column, column A, and then the result column, column D. Because you've linked the columns and not a count, you can add as many rows or columns as you want. XLOOKUP stays locked on the data. No more manual counting, no more errors. Just pure precision for your tender. In this industry, your reputation is built on your accuracy. Stop fighting with outdated formulas and start protecting your margins. If you want more QS-specific Excel hacks and better construction workflows, subscribe and join the BeyondConstruct community. Let's build with precision. I'll see you in the next one.